a student member of Institution Innovation Council of ISB University.
Entrepreneurship and Startup Awareness Workshop has been scheduled on 18th March 2026 and this program is conducted by IIC. Startup Chhattisgarh.
Entrepreneurship is a platform where we share our creative ideas to build a new business and innovations for students of ISBM University to come and join us.
Hello student, ISBM University hosts entrepreneurship and startup awareness workshop in ISBM University. This workshop is scheduled on 18th March 2026 and this program is organized by Institution Innovation Council ISBM University. This program mainly focuses on guest lecture that is delivered by Startup Chhattisgarh members and this program is very useful for all the students of ISBM University. So I, IIC convener, ISBM University, cordially invite to all the students of ISBM University to come and join us.